Hey everybody, Mike Saint Amour here, aka Precise26, and right now I'm just going to follow up on the gold chart, seeing that we had some sort of movement in the bearish direction on this one, and it seems to have stumped some people, and some people have lost some money. So I thought I would address this. So for starters, looking at the entry point. So we're looking here and we can see we broke up. But then very shortly after, we went right back down below the break point. Now, this is a very important why I say always is to trade one box above the line. And when I mean one box above the line, I want to take my grid and look, and we can see that this line I made here is approximately one box above the line. Now, this, if you did half a box above the line, definitely got in. If you did approximately one box above the line, you still may have got in on this one. What you have to remember is no matter how accurate it can be, no matter how many times you see me give an analysis that is correct, there's always going to be the time that's wrong. And the time that's wrong is going to be the time where you get in the most. So you need to understand this. This is very important for risk management. It's never guaranteed. I can't say that this is going up and then it's going to 100% go up. I mean, I could be wrong. If that was the case, I would be flat out rich right now, which I'm not. So keep that in mind. There's always loss involved with trading. This is part of trading. You are going to see loss. It's just get over that now, learn about it, and know about it. So now that we have that covered, looking here, one box above the line, you should be not in right now. So hopefully the majority of you did not get in on this move, but if you did, no worries, because the truth is that we may have gone back down, but nothing has changed. The analysis remains the same. The break line is right here. We could still place our order one box above the line. There's nothing's really worried me on this analysis. It's still definitely looking good. I mean, if I take this right here and put it up to the top peak there and bring that down like so, then we can see it's actually still broken. So you need to keep this in mind. Support did not break. So if that support broke, we would probably see down here coming, but it did not. It's still holding. Analysis remains bullish. Okay, so pending order, one box above the line, just right up here. You can do a half a box, one box. Remember what a half a box does. See, if you did a half a box, you'd be in right now and you would be worried. Now, speaking of this, when you trade, there's red candles. Look at this bullish trend. This bullish trend was going up, but there was steadily red candles. This red candle is like this red candle, or this one, or that one, or this one, or this one, or this one, or that one. It's every single red candle is about that size. This is normal. You should never blow your account off of one candle. You need to manage your risk properly. I see in the comments somebody had a $200 trade. They had $200 in their account, blew the account on this one red candle. That's nonsense. You cannot do that. I mean, I don't want to degrade anybody, but you really need to pay attention to your risk management here. Don't focus on what you're going to make. Focus on what you're going to lose, okay? So keep that in mind. If you had $200, you should have done no more than 1 ounce of gold. Just one, and you should have well been able to handle this, and your stop loss should have been one box below this line. Okay, we're doing boxes above and boxes below. That's just the way it is. Lots of people think that you're going to miss the move if you do that. You're not going to miss the move. That's not how it works. You will not miss the move if you go one box above. If I went one box above the break here, it would make no difference. If I went one box below here, it doesn't really make much of a difference. You're still in, you still get it. You can't go in here and then blow your account on this candle. It just doesn't work that way. So please remember, risk management is a key thing in trading. There's always going to be losses. Always remember that. But you should never, ever blow on an account, even if you only have 200 off of one candle. If that was going to blow your account, you should never have made this trade. This trade was too big for your account. Okay? So looking here, we can see support has held, and we're just going to continue up until support breaks. This is bullish until support breaks, and we're still above the break line. So this is basically a break and a pullback, and we should go on. So keep that in mind while you trade this. Always keep your risk management intact. Do not stray from your risk management practices. Good risk management is the key to being a successful trader. Don't overtrade. Don't put too much into one trade. Just do it properly. So if you have $200, you should trade 1 ounce of gold, not 2, not 4, 1 ounce of gold, and you should well be able to handle this drop, because this, I don't even call this a drop. This isn't even a drop. It's still going up, right? So keep that in mind. Anyhow, I'm so sorry for the people who did lose money. However, if you did lose money and you were playing on a shorter term and your account was the way it is and you can't handle that kind of drop, then you should have been on a shorter term, like the 1 hour, which still is not good, but at least you would have caught this drop before it happened, and you could have got out right around here. So your loss would have been half the amount that you've lost. Also, there was talk in our chat at www.precisiondigital.ca. You can find the chat in the chat directory. There was lots of talk about this head and shoulders here. So you would have known about that. People have been pointing that out. I chose to ignore this because this is a bullish trend and this is only the 1 hour chart, so it meant nothing to me. However, for somebody with $200 in their account who is going to blow their account on this move, this should have been very, very important to you. So I suggest you watch all my videos on tutorials if you're struggling with this, and try to get this all down pat, because once you get the whole hang of this, and once you understand risk management, and once you understand trading with the trend, then this type of move will mean nothing to you. It just means you're going to have to wait a little longer for your profit. Okay, so again, sorry for the losses. Congratulations to those who, A, the ones who didn't get in, and B, the ones who did get in but are still in. And I hope it turns to profit. Remember, I'm not God, so I can't really say 100% that this is going up, but I mean, things are usually pretty accurate and nothing has changed here. So safe trading. I hope this was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day.